Everybody has been waiting for another Angry Mom episode. Well, here is the footage. No animals and no Angry Mom was harmed in the making of this video. This was not set up. Well, my prank was, but her reaction was not a setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's the video. Hi guys. I just came up with a brilliant idea. I just thought of something hilarious. I got some party poppers. I got some party poppers. And I got some good ideas. I got some good ideas. I'm thinking about going in Mom's bedroom and pull one of these poppers and go like, pew, and they'll fly. Mom's asleep right now. It's 7:49 in the morning, and and I opened the door. I was hoping she wouldn't wake up. I don't think she woke up yet. So I'm gonna have to say this is payback time, Angry Mama. Because I was stuck upside down in the recliner last night, and you tried to help me out, and then you gave up and you went in your bedroom. So let's see what happens when payback comes back at you. Just joking. But seriously, the recliner incident happened. So I'm gonna walk nice and quiet. So I'm gonna bring this iPad so if it goes randomly anywhere. I'm so damn bored. We're really quiet. Just so everybody can see him. I'll be turning the light on. Because if I turn the light on, it's gonna mess up the mission. The mission is party. Oh, it is party pooper, alright. So the mission is party pooper on Angry Mama. Mission 1. Let's see if it succeeds.
What are you doing? Take that sumbitch out of here. I'm fixing to break it. Cut that light out.
Why are you gonna break my
Cut that light out.
Say please.
No. Cut the light out.
Alright. I'll turn. Alright.
Brian, come. Oh!
Okay, just relax. I'm turning the light off. Let me get up. Alright, here we go. No, I'm turning it off. Oh, no.
I'm gonna break it.
I'll turn it off.
You better bring it back in your room.
Good night, sweet Vic. They got stuck in her hair. Oh God. Angry Mom has just got She's just screaming, what did you put in my hair? Oh, you guys enjoyed this video. So I guess I became reporting. No.